Lincoln Mitchell, Green Bulls, Red Bears. Let's get on one of these setups real quick here. Um, the market is highly volatile today. A lot of news. I normally stay away from news when I trade. I'm gonna pick one of these off. I'm gonna scout one of these in a second here. I'm waiting for a right setup. Um, that was in a good trade. I definitely would have took that one. You definitely have to know how to read price action on this if you want to scout. So make sure you pay close attention to everything. I'm so tired. I was up all last night, man. I was scalping the hell out this market last night, man. End up throwing all my trades back, man. I did shoot, I was scalping, man. Where's that picture at? While we're waiting for a setup on one of these. We're waiting for a setup here. Let me see if I can pull that picture up. I put on Facebook. Here we go. I was killing it last night, and like I said, I was scalping too many wins to count, but only 3 losses knocked out the whole account, which it did. I was scalping, man. I was killing it last night, man. I mean, I traded so much, and this is just, I don't know. I just trading and trading. I was doing really good. You worry about that risk management when you're trading. You definitely worry about that. What I'm doing right now is a scalping technique. Please don't try this. You have to be really, really, really good at trading. I'm not saying I am, but I mean, I can hold my own. There's no doubt about that. And what I'm doing right now, I'm looking for certain price supports and resistance. I do mine a little different than most people. I'm a strictly price action guy. I do all numbers. That's all I do. Okay, let me see. Here we go. It's a good setup now. There we go. Now what I want that to do is I want it to get here and bounce off this line. I want this one to stay above. You're going to be able to see the price right there. Keep going down. It's moving so volatile right now. You can kind of get what you want. Now, when you got a market like this that's moving 7 or 8 pips on a minute, man, you better know what you're doing. I'm telling you. I should have took that one. I didn't like that setup right here. I wanted it to touch this line, but it's all good. I mean, another one will come. Another one will come. I want that to come down, actually. If I can get that back down. We're waiting for the right setup. Okay, there we go. That looks good. Keep going. Want this to close, get down to here at least. If that closes underneath that, you're in trouble. Well, I'm in trouble. I'm gonna show you a little trick here. Don't try this. It's 95. If that thing hit 95, we're in that trade. Damn. Didn't hit it. If it hit 95, we're in that trade. What time is it? $96. Need to get to about 90. 96 is good. In it. We're going to take it up. There your price right there. Soon that thing break even. A lot of times you want to get a turnaround right here. This is we're basing this off the 2 minute. On the 1 minute. If the 1 minute closes underneath that line there, you out of that trade. Don't do this. Please do not do this unless you know exactly what you're doing. Push up. There we go. Push up some more. We'll get out. $1.30. Don't do this. I'm telling you, man. You'll get burned so bad doing this. You got to really know what you're doing in price action, man. I'm telling you. Don't do that. Learn. That's all I can tell you. Know exactly what you're looking for, knowing how your setups are, knowing where to get out, your risk management. This trade last night, a lot of these, I get overconfident. I get too cocky with myself. I really do. And that's how I lost all of that. Don't get cocky. You know what I'm saying? If you know certain situations, I know what is supposed to happen. I chose this one to go down, and it did. But it went back against me. It kind of made me think something kind of fishy on that one, because that's one of my favorite setups to hit one of my favorite lines, which was down here. That was kind of weird. Same way with this one. I picked this one to go up to hit my price line there, and it shot down on me. The rest of them, I think there's another one in here I lost somewhere. Not that one. I don't think it's this one. Could be this one to that one. This one, no. No, I ain't. Oh yeah, I think it's this one. Is it this one? I don't know. But anyway, know what you're doing. Don't get too don't get too cocky with yourself. Just like that trade right there came back. Now that's where you definitely would have got out. That's why I really wanted to enter that right around there and let it bounce off just like that. But now you need a turnaround. See, these situations right here is where you miss out on a lot of money. And try not to jump the gun. My best advice to people who's new at this is, my wife taught me something, and I had to, she said, always wait for the candle to close. And that's your best bet to see exactly what setup it is. You know, to see exactly where your setup is going. Make sure you know exactly where it's going. But that was another scalping. Do not try to do it when it's high volatility like that, volatile, whatever you want to say. But because you really got to know what you're doing, man. I'm serious, man. I mean, I make it look easy, but it's not. Trust me. Best wishes to all y'all trying to do this. Lincoln Metro, Green Bears, Red Bulls. Oh, I said it wrong, didn't I? Yeah, I said it. Green Bulls, Red Bears. Bye.